Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best free video editor for beginners in 2025 between Kdenlive and Shotcut. If you're looking for the best video editor as a beginner in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. In today's fast-moving world of video production, selecting the right editing software can significantly boost your creative potential and efficiency. Kdenlive and Shotcut are two leading open-source video editors that stand out for their robust capabilities and accessible design. Kdenlive, launched in 2003, is well regarded for its advanced multi-track editing and rich library of effects, which satisfy both novices and professionals seeking flexibility and depth. In contrast, Shotcut, introduced in 2011, is designed with a focus on simplicity, allowing you to dive into projects quickly without sacrificing creative control. When deciding between these editors, it helps to consider how each aligns with your editing habits, technical needs, and the complexity of the projects you tackle. Performance matters greatly, especially when working with larger files or high-definition footage. Kdenlive often demands more computing power, particularly with 4K or complex projects, so you'll want a capable computer for the smoothest experience. Shotcut stands out for its efficient use of resources, performing reliably even on older or less powerful hardware. Between the two, your choice may depend on the hardware you have access to and your typical project size. Kdenlive includes sophisticated color grading controls and a vast array of effects and transitions, ideal for users who want precision and in-depth customization. Shotcut provides a strong set of filters along with a straightforward audio interface, allowing you to fine-tune sound and achieve clear synchronization with video. Kdenlive lets you import and export a wide variety of formats, streamlining your project handoff or collaboration with other tools. Shotcut, while offering fewer export options, still handles a range of file types and is easy to fit into a typical video production workflow. Kdenlive benefits from a growing ecosystem of third-party plugins and add-ons, further expanding its capabilities to meet diverse production needs. Shotcut's approachable interface results in a gentler learning curve, so you can quickly access key functions and start editing with minimal ramp-up time. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.